Thriving in the nursing world. This is your gritty nurse guide from ShippyDoll Registered Nursing. My friend, it's time for you to conquer the world of nursing. New grads, novice nurses, we are in this together. Are you ready to conquer the world of nursing? Well, if you are, let's get gritty. So, first I want to tell you about grit. Grit is about determination, resolve, resilience, discipline, self-control, persistence, and willingness to do whatever it takes to achieve important goals. A gritty nurse is an individual with high levels of grit, can overcome obstacles, maintain passion, and persevere long after others give up. So, you do not give up, okay? All right. Welcome to ShippyDoll Registered Nursing, where I support new grads from passing your NCLEX to coaching new or novice nurses to become gritty so you'll persevere and lead in the field. I am your coach, Janisha Dunkley. Let's shine. Okay. It's not going to be easy. But as a gritty nurse, you've got what it takes to thrive in the challenging profession. Nursing is a challenging profession, but with this gritty guide from ShippyDoll Registered Nursing, you are ready to take it on. Okay, so first, embrace the chaos. Every day is going to be unpredictable, my friends, but remember, you're here to make a difference. Nurses, we are a big deal. Nobody does it better. Oh, okay. And you should laugh. Okay. Nurses, we are changing lives daily. Educating patients, advocating for our patients. We are so close to our patients. We are the first ones in line, for our patients, supporting our patients. And we are making change in their lives daily. Daily we are making changes. So we are a big deal, nurses. Nurses, you have to be flexible and adapt to any situation that comes your way. Like, it's not going to be easy at all, and I'm going to keep repeating this because it is not. Trust me, when you get there, when you get on the front line, when you're out there, you're going to realize some days you're going to say, wow, what did I sign up for? Did I sign up for this? But yes, you did. And you did because of your compassion. This is the profession that you desire. And now God bless you to walk in it. But guess what? Everything that you go through, right? Everything that you go through, and I've said this in previous video, when you go through nursing school, it's hard and it's tough. But guess what? It's a process. It's literally preparing you for now. So you should already went through that process in nursing school, going through your clinicals, and now it's time for you to persevere because you already went through the process. So now when you're going through this, guess what? You can take it on because you went through the process. You went through the hard times, the tough times. So now it's time for you to show up and show out completely. Okay, you never know what's going to happen. You never know how your day is going to turn out. And it's just like that. Some days you will go and it seems like, everything is going to go good. And then it turns east, west, north, and south. So you never know what's going to happen. So take my advice for this. Starting out, you're going to start your day as though you are busy. Start your shift. You're going to prioritize at the beginning of your shift. Okay. I'm telling you, you are going to start your day as though you are busy from the beginning. That's how you're going to start your shift. So next, build a supportive system at work. Okay? Surround yourself with colleagues who will uplift you, who you can share the same passion with, the same value. Okay? They will be there for you to lend you a helping hand and to provide guidance when you need it the most, because this is the time when you're going to need guidance the most. This is the time when you're going to have a lot of questions and you want to feel comfortable asking those questions, right? So building that relationship is going to help you to execute all of that. I've experienced before for both receiving the support and not receiving the support. And trust me, not receiving the support at work, it hurts, okay? It really, really hurts, and it drains you and make you feel burnt out even more. All right, so build that support system at work, continue to learn, and make your experience wonderful. All right, take care of yourself. Nurses, sometimes we end up adapting to the culture that we go and we see at work, where nurses don't take care of themselves. And I'm telling you, I am an advocate for that, for nurses taking the time to take their breaks and really getting that time to really relax, unwind, and come back on the unit feeling refreshed and prepared to finish taking care of your patients. We need that time. Nurses, new grads that are just going in, take care of yourself, okay? Don't fall in that same trap. Take care of yourself, both physically, emotionally, and mentally, because this job as a nurse, it is all of that. It is demanding physically, mentally, and spiritually. So make sure to prioritize your own well-being, get enough rest, eat healthy, and don't forget to unwind after a long shift. We tend to eat bad at work. Sometimes family members bring in stuff. It's always like a donut, some form of pastry, most of the time. Okay, these are work behaviors that we tend to adapt. All right, because food is associated with emotions. When you feel sad or you're having a bad day, it's like in your mind you feel like you have to go and grab something unhealthy like the refined sugar and lots of it, because we love it. Okay, so when you eat the sugar, the brain produces huge surges of dopamine, which is a feel-good hormone. It gives you a sense of pleasure. It also gives you motivation to do something. It's a part of the reward system, okay, that we've learned and that we know about and we have experienced. Okay, so try your best not to do that, not to go for that, and incorporate healthy meals whenever you can. All right, don't be afraid to ask for help. Nursing is a team effort, and reaching out to others don't make you weak, it makes you stronger. Take advantage for every learning experience that you can. You are continuously learning, you're continuously improving your skills as a nurse. Okay, ask your charge nurse for help, ask your friend at work for help, find a nurse mentor at work, or contact ShippyDoll Registered Nursing for coaching support for work. Okay, all right, remember why you choose this profession: the joy of helping others, right? We love helping others. We have that passion inside of us, and that's the reason why we chose this profession. The joy for helping others, it fuels our passion. The joy of helping others is what fuels your passion. Even on the toughest days, keep the fire alive and let it guide you towards making positive impact on your patient's life. Okay, there are going to be days when you ask yourself why. Like I literally ask myself that questions at times. Why did I choose to be a nurse? But your passion will always take you back. We are here to help our patients. So just take the time to unwind when you can, because we are out here making a difference. All right, so just remember the story, remember the reason why you chose to be a nurse. All right, and why you want to make a difference in someone's life. All right, for me, I remember as a child always wanting to be a nurse, wanting to teach, and helping others make me feel fulfilled. Helping others make me feel fulfilled and empowered. So it's a career that it provides that feeling, And nursing is a career that provides meaningful work. We are literally saving lives daily. Every day we go to work, we are out here saving lives. There are lots of career growth in nursing. It's a stable job. It's flexible scheduling. You can work three days a week. The hours are long, but when you have like children, you have your kids, you want to be with them, your husband or your partner, your family that you want to be with. If you work 3 days for the week, you have that's 4 days out of the week that you have leave that you can share with your family, those quality time together, right? And so the scheduling is flexible. It's a high earning job. You can definitely make a decent living. Those are some of the reasons why you work hard in nursing school. So lastly, keep learning. The nursing world is constantly evolving, so stay update with the latest advancements, the policies, the procedures, the evidence-based practice. Attend workshops, seminar when you can, and never stop growing as a profession. And the bonus for you, because this came to my mind literally while I was preparing this video, and I don't know if someone needs to hear this, but please make certain when you are given a medication, you know whether or not you can give that medication or that dosage on your unit. That medication and that dosage for that specific medication, ensure that you can give it on your unit, how many times you can push it, especially for IV push. Please, all right, please, and go with your gut feeling. Whatever you feel that something is wrong or you want to question, don't think twice to question it. Question it. If there is a medication that the doctor ordered, not because it's a doctor ordered that medication doesn't mean that you are not supposed to question that medication. You need to ask the question. Call the pharmacy, ask the doctor, call the pharmacy for clarification, because let me tell you that when the doctors order a medication, pharmacy has to approve it. And if pharmacy have an issue with that medication, pharmacy is going to contact the doctor. So when that medication reach into your hands, if you have a feeling that doesn't sit well, something doesn't sit well, whether the dosage seem a bit high, anything seems off, please contact the doctor, contact the pharmacy, and make that query. Okay. Today at work, I saw a medication that was ordered for a patient, atropine, and I'm like, it's for the eyes. That's what I know. I know it's for the eyes, and even on the box it says it applied to the eyes. So I'm looking and I'm like, the order says sublingual, 1 drop, sublingual. That's under the tongue. So I'm like, let me contact the doctor and find out. So I messaged the doctor. The doctor replied, because on Epic you can message your doctor, you can message your pharmacy, So I was using Epic today. I messaged the doctor. The doctor replied to me and he told me that they're using it to decrease the salivary gland production, because the patient was producing a lot of saliva. So I learned something today, because I didn't know that medication could also use for that, because we know medication can use for all different reasons, but on the boxes is for the eyes. I know atropine is for the eyes, and then I see 1 drop sublingual. I had a question, so I asked. So nurses, ask questions, okay? If it doesn't sit right, clarify it. If it doesn't sit right, clarify it, okay? Thank you for watching ShippyDoll Registered Nursing. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, comment below, share the video. Okay? See you soon. Bye.